In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar events from Google Forms submissions using the Booking Calendar add-on. This is a fantastic tool that enables you to integrate booking capabilities directly into your Google Forms. It makes managing appointments and reservations easier than ever, enhancing your workflow significantly. So let's dive right in and get started. Before we jump into the details, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing and liking it to help our community grow. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. Think of Google Drive as your central hub where you can access all Google applications, including Google Forms. Once you arrive at Google Drive, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New. This is where the magic begins. Click on that button, and a drop-down menu will pop up presenting various options for creating different types of Google documents. From here, select Google Forms. Now you'll have the option to either start with a blank form or choose from a variety of templates. If you're looking for a quick and efficient start, templates are a fantastic choice. They come with preset structures that you can easily customize to fit your needs. Explore the templates available and choose the one that feels right for your purpose. After you've made your selection, it's time to dive into completing the form setup. You have complete freedom here. You can add questions, adjust the question types, and tweak the settings according to your preferences. Make sure to set up the form in a way that captures all the information you need from your respondents effectively. Now, once you've laid out the basics of your form, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu, often referred to as More. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, find and select Get Add-ons. Now you're entering the world of enhancements for your Google Forms. You'll see a marketplace filled with various add-ons that are tailored to improve the functionality of Google Forms. In the search box within the add-ons marketplace, type Booking Calendar. Once you see it appear in the search results, click on it. You'll then be given the option to install the add-on. Go ahead and click Install. It should be a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to complete the installation, and you'll see the add-on integrated smoothly into your form. After installation, it's important to activate the add-on. Go back to your form and look for the add-ons icon. Click on that and then select Booking Calendar. You'll see an option that says Configure Booking Calendar. Click it to begin setting everything up with your form. During this setup, a pop-up will prompt you to open your Google Calendar. This step is essential as it allows the Booking Calendar to sync seamlessly with your Google Calendar events. If there's an event that you want to be available for booking that doesn't already exist, you can easily create one right within Google Calendar. Once you've completed the configuration, the Booking Calendar will be automatically added to your form. This integration allows respondents to book appointments or register for events directly through the Google form. Plus, all bookings will be reflected in your Google Calendar, eliminating the hassle of back-and-forth emails or manual entries. And that's it. Now you are all set to use the Booking Calendar add-on to streamline your scheduling process in Google Forms. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day ahead.